Down on the ground is one of those really, really big red-headed woodpeckers, and he's scratching in the grass. There he is right there. Every now and then you see his little head pop up. Oh no, it didn't either. Shh. He is digging in the leaves. It's like he's making a nest or something in the leaves. It's the darndest thing I've ever seen in my life. Now he's up on the tree. He's down on the tree. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? He's up on the tree, one of these trees here somewhere. There he is. He flew up in the tree, and now he's doing exactly the same thing. He flew down to the same hole that he started a minute ago. That's very strange behavior. I didn't know woodpeckers went on the ground like that. This is the third time that this little bird has been, whoopsie, I lost him. There he is. Third time that he has flown up on the tree right next to where he is right now, and the second time he flew up on the tree, and the third time he's come back to this same hole pecking in the leaves there. And he is one of the largest, I think they're called Pileated woodpeckers. Not sure that's the right word. Whoops, there he goes. Where'd he fly to?
Kind of early if he is.
You think he and Mama have a nest on the ground? Is what you're suggesting?
Mm-mm. He probably found a bunch of bugs down there or something. I'm pretty sure they don't nest on the ground.
I would think they would be in a hole in a tree like that tree that we saw yesterday.
They nest in little holes. Like what they've cut out in the tree.
Whoops, look at there. Now he's gone back to the ground again. He's in a different spot on the ground. This time he's behind that stump. Hold on a minute, let me find him.
Right behind something there from you. There he's on this side of it now. See?
Yeah, I see him. I saw two of them the other day when I was here by myself. You were in town. And it was almost like it was a pair flying all around these woods. He's gone behind that stump now. Cute. Did you grow up?